light. Eddie Bell shines, bringing hope to the light. With every drop of wisdom in their crafted elixirs, they weave a tapestry of health that never flickers. From vitamins that dance in the morning sun, to probiotics whispering, your journey's just begun. A world that embraces with nature's gentle hand. In every little capsule, magic will expand. Oh, they're crafting a future bright and so divine. With every heart that's beating, they're redefining time. Nutraceutical wonders, a symphony so sweet. Eddie Bell's promise, where wellness and joy meet. Minerals and amino acids, a treasure trove of care. With every formulation, they're weaving love to share. Dancing through the seasons, with hopes held high. In every gentle wave, they lift us to the sky. Dry extracts of nature, like whispers through the trees. Feeding every passion, igniting every dream. Together we are stronger in this vibrant embrace. With Eddie Bell by our side, we're finding our own place. Oh, they're crafting a future bright and so divine. With every heart that's beating, they're redefining time. Nutraceutical wonders, a symphony so sweet. Eddie Bell's promise, where wellness and joy meet. So reach into the world, let the colors explode. With Eddie Bell's magic on this vibrant road. Connect with every heartbeat, uplifted by the song. Together we will journey, this is where we belong. Oh, they're crafting a future bright and so divine. With every heart that's beating, they're redefining time. Nutraceutical wonders, a symphony so sweet. Eddie Bell's promise, where wellness and joy meet. In Wembley's embrace, let the good vibes flow. With Eddie Bell leading, together we will glow. Their love is the foundation, in harmony we rise. With every breath and heartbeat, we'll touch the skies. Why do some things will reach in Wembley? So reach into the world, let the colors explode. With Eddie Bell's magic on this vibrant road.